Hello! Today I am going to show you how to make 3 kinds of summer juices. This is the first one, apple smoothie, watermelon smoothie, and our lemon olive oil with mint leaves. We will start. We will put our apple, almonds and cashew nuts, 1 spoon of honey, and our ice cubes, and put half glass of water. And we can garnish it with crushed almonds and cashew nuts. This is our watermelon smoothie. Just add 1 cup of sliced watermelon. Here is our mint leaves. We can add half spoon of honey. To make it healthier, we can add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And of course, we can add little bit of ice water. Here is our watermelon mint leaves with olive oil smoothie. Our third summer juice is mint leaves with ginger, lemon squeezed in, I am putting 2 tablespoons of honey. To make it healthier, let's pour in 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. We're going to add our iced water. You can put slices of lemon inside, stir it in, our juices are ready. This is the first one, apple smoothie, watermelon smoothie, and our lemon olive oil with mint leaves. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you so much and God bless.